Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be teaching you how to do your lashes. I'm going to be showing you a natural looking way that you can put on your lashes so your lashes can look like this. Stunning. So without further ado, let's get into it. Go ahead and pick out your lash of choice. I personally love and have been writing for Kiss products, Kiss lashes. The number 11 one specifically, this is their So Wispy. Typically you have to cut the lashes because they're going to be too long and you're always going to cut them from the ends. So the way that you can see if they are a perfect size for you is put it at the corner of your eye and then kind of just see where it's going to stop at the end of your eye. Like this is just way too long. So since I've been doing this for a while, I know already where to cut mine, but I always cut at least like 1 or 2 off. Sometimes they make these ones a little longer, sometimes they don't. You can see that there's a gap in between each lash. You're going to cut in between where those lashes are. So for instance, I'm going to cut off these 2 at the end. Just like that. Favorite lash glue, which is also from Kiss too. This is the Strip Lash Adhesive with aloe in it. I'm a little under the weather, so if my voice sounds a little stuffy, it's because I am stuffy. Okay, so the difference about me putting on my lashes is I put them on underneath. Instead of putting them on the bottom of the band, right where you would normally put it, I put it on the top end, if that makes sense. We're gonna let this sit for a little bit and get tacky. And while that's getting tacky, we're gonna go with some mascara. This is going to help blend in your lashes. It's another like form of glue, but it's just going to make sure that your lashes and the false lashes blend in. Do one side at a time because I do want the mascara to be somewhat wet, tacky when I'm going to put in the eyelashes. Like I said, it is kind of like an extra layer of glue. Now there's 2 ways you can do this. One way is lifting it up and we're going to put it close to the lash on the waterline, but not directly on the actual waterline. It's just close to the waterline, right? As close to the root of the lashes as possible. I have the front secure. I just take the end and I just stick it on. And then I'll press on the bottom, making sure it's close to my lashes. Still a little bit wet, so I'm gonna let it dry before I go in and push it together. But I'm gonna show you what I do with the second method on this side. I used to cut my lashes in half, so we'll just go wherever we feel like the middle is. And you'll have 2 strips of lashes just like this, right? I'm gonna go over here and press down because I feel like, yeah, it's a little bit more dry over here, so we can start pressing the false lashes and then my lashes together. Here we go, we got the end lash right here. It's a little bit more tacky. We can go ahead and place it at the end. There we go, that's cute too. I love wearing a half lash. Like when I'm too lazy to put a full lash on, I'll just do like a little half lash. It's my favorite. Alright, now we're gonna go with our front lash. And again, lifting that eye up and putting it right at the root of those natural lashes. See that? You would never be able to tell that I cut this side. Also, you guys are gonna think I'm crazy. You don't have to do this part if it scares you. I'm gonna go back in with my lash curler, okay? I know there's mascara on my lashes, but hear me out. I don't care, and nothing has ever happened to me because I don't press down hard when I'm doing this. I literally just go in, do a couple light taps, and then like hold it upwards. I just want the lash to be more curled. I feel like this is what gives them, again, like that natural effect. So there we go. Again, if it makes you uncomfortable, don't do that. You don't have to do that step. That's just what I like to do. If you are going to be using the lash curler, make sure that your mascara and your glue is completely dry, please. That is like another reason why people's lashes get ripped off, because they do it on wet. You're not supposed to do it in general, but you know. Now you see how you can see like the white clear band. I'm gonna go in with some black eyeliner. This is from Urban Decay. I think it's in the shade 0, but then again, black is black. I'm just going to line that band as well as my waterline. You see the difference? This part is irrelevant. You can do whatever you want at this part, but I'm gonna go in with a brown eyeliner on my bottom waterline. I'm gonna finish off my false lashes with some mascara. This also gives it like that, oh my god, wait, are those your lashes type of vibe. So I'm gonna do that. Because I feel like not a lot of people put mascara on their fake lashes, but I have always done it. I don't know, I feel like obviously it gives like a natural effect, and I feel like it makes it come together a little bit more. I'm gonna go in with some brown mascara. This is from MAC. And that is how I get my lashes. It's been my routine since like high school. I have not changed it up, and I probably won't change it up. It just works so well for me. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.